In this video, I will show you how you can disable the forced auto updates on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, there are two methods to disable the auto updates on your Samsung phone. The first method is if you want to disable the auto updates for the apps on your Samsung phone. And for that, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon over here. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Network Preferences, and over here you will find the option for Auto Update Apps. Now just tap on it, and over here instead of Update over Wi-Fi only or Update with limited amount, just select Do Not Auto Update Apps. And after you do that, all the apps on your Samsung phone will not auto update automatically. Now this was the first method, but if you want to disable the actual auto software update on your Samsung phone, for that just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Software Update. Over here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen and select Auto Download. Now, if it is on using Wi-Fi only or using Wi-Fi or mobile data, just select Never. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Then on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now it will ask you to enter the password of the lock screen. Just enter the password, then tap on continue. And after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then just go back to the main settings page. Now if you scroll down a bit more, you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it. Now over here, if you scroll down, you will find the option for auto update system. Now, if this option is enabled, just turn it off. And after you do that, you'll disable all the forced auto updates on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.